Log into TexasAsphalt.org. Navigate to the top right-hand corner of your browser window and hit the Login button. Enter the email address associated with your TXAPA membership and your unique password. TXAPA strives to keep accurate records of its member organizations and associates. When logged into TexasAsphalt.org, navigate to Manage My Company, Manage Add Associates. If you would like to update a contact's information or remove a contact, select the desired contact from the list. And if you would like to remove this contact, hit Delete Contact and save changes. Otherwise, update the contact's information and hit Save. To add a new contact, navigate to Manage Add Associates and hit Add a Rep. You will enter associate's contact information, assign login credentials, indicate their address, and their communication preferences. All of this information may be edited individually by the contact once they are logged in to TexasAsphalt.org.